Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's talk about Uber. Don't wish for it because you might not want it.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Upfront Fares is rolling out to more markets.
I have an email on that one too. Hold on a second. I don't want to say the wrong thing.
They're
I don't want to say the
already.
wrong thing.
They're like, oh, we know you're going to be talking about this. So
no, you can talk about this. You can read this while I find the email. You can talk about this while I find the email.
All right. So yes, several areas still did not have upfront fares. They were still on the rate card. We actually talked about this recently. I don't know, like last week or 2 weeks ago or something like that, when it came to would you prefer a rate card or upfront fares? My thing was, I think both. There should be the hybrid. You should be able to have an estimated upfront fare, knowing about how much you're going to make, knowing the pickup and drop off based on a time and distance model. You know everything about it. It's not this opaque model that they say is more transparent, but in reality, they say it's based on several factors. Okay, what are the factors? Time and distance is, but they can change that at any point. Any point they feel like it. They don't have to give you another addendum or anything when it comes to rate changes. So the ball's in their court when it comes to upfront fares, because they're able to price you out wherever you want to be, or wherever they want you to be, I should say. And then on the other side, they do the same exact thing on the passenger. So they don't get to win. But yeah, so upfront fares is coming to more markets. Yes, it's wonderful to see the pickup and drop off. It's good to know exactly where you are going to go, so you don't have to take that ride if you don't want to. Remember, that is the biggest thing. Acceptance rate has no play. Now, if you get into an advantage versus standard mode, yeah, there's going to have a 25% acceptance rate, but it's still 25%. So it's not exactly that hard to get to advantage. But yeah, enjoy Trip Radar, because when you hear that stupid little ding every time, we went back to that driver with his personal algorithm. I'm sure a lot of people already have. I mean, I remember going through when we were doing our side-by-side comparisons and have the Uber thing playing. I'm like, trigger warning in case this pisses you off. So yeah, I mean, it's going to be good to know pick up and drop off. So that's good. But the problem is the opaque pay and the structure behind it. Good luck, because it's going to be a pay cut.
Yeah, I mean, look, upfront fares has been pretty much nationwide, but then we know where they're not. And I would get countless emails every month. People watch the show. They go like, well, I don't know where I'm going. I'm driving blind, I wish I had upfront fares. Well, there's a county right next to me, next to LA County. There's a county called Ventura County, okay? They didn't have upfront fares. They got upfront fares a few weeks ago. And now I get complaint emails saying, Serge, what is this? I go, yeah, you wanted it. You wanted to see where you're going. You know what I'm saying? I mean, what am I supposed to do here? But so they're getting it. And I asked this to Uber, and Uber thankfully came back in time. So I was getting emails from different cities. Oh, Serge, look, I have upfront fares now. Oh, look, I have upfront fares. I'm going like, I asked Uber, can you send me the list of cities that you guys are rolling out upfront fares? So they came back to me and said, instead of giving you where it's being rolled out city by city, how about we do this? By the end of May, okay, this is, I'm reading from the email, drivers will see upfront fares across the U.S. This is a nationwide rollout. So there is no upfront fares. Everybody's getting upfront fares. Hold on. With the exception of these states and some cities. Oregon. No upfront fares in Oregon. Washington State, no upfront fares. Although Lyft does have upfront fares in Washington State. New York City, NYC says, NYC suburbs, and where we did our last behind the wheel with the New Jersey driver, no upfront fares in New Jersey. So those four, like Long Island, New York City, and suburbs such as Long Island and places like that, no upfront fares. New Jersey, no upfront fares. Oregon, no upfront fares. Washington, no upfront fares. If you're Washington State, if you're in anywhere else, by the end of May, you should have the same ping screen as I'm having. You have a pickup point, drop-off point, the fare, decline and recline all you want. And then don't email me saying, Serge, I got a pay cut. I'm like, but hey, we think it's a pay cut. We think seeing the destination of the rider has been an exchange for lower fares. That's what I think, personally speaking. I don't know about you all. I think it has been. But some people say it's not. I'm like, I have yet to meet a driver. And if you're out there, please email me, Sergio@rideshareguy.com. I want to put you on the show. That after upfront fares, you are making equal or more than pre-upfront fares with a rate card. I want to hear from you. Thank you. That's it.
Well, either way, it's coming, except for those areas. Go figure. And I'm sure the people in Jersey are probably really pissed off to hear about that right now. Because
we know where that is.
Yeah, because they don't want to take the rides in New York City because you get screwed.
Lyft has upfront fares in Jersey. Lyft has upfront fares in Washington State. So maybe that's why you multi-app. You know what I mean? There you go.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.